Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that we need to turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. So at your right ear cup we have power button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light start flashing white and red. So press and hold. We just turn on them and now we enter to pairing mode. Then we should see them at the device list. Right here I have it, so click connect near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.